A clickable subscribe button is a fundamental requirement of any successful YouTube channel. Please follow the steps in this simple tutorial. First of all, open Google and type in YouTube subscribe button square PNG 150 by 150. Select the button you like and save it. Make sure you save the file as PNG, which stands for Portable Network Graphic. Now open a YouTube clip and click on your profile button in the top right corner. This will take you to your YouTube studio, where you will now click on Customization. Scroll down in Customization till you get to Video Watermark. If you don't find Video Watermark, scroll up again and click on Branding. Click the Upload button to the right of Video Watermark. This will take you to your Save Subscribe button. Once your subscribe button appears in Video Watermark, choose your display time option. Personally, I prefer a custom start time of 20 seconds. Now all that's left to do is hit the Publish button. Thank you for watching. And if you feel this video was of value to you, I would really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and also feel free to give me a big, juicy like.